Hi there! Starting an online business is thrilling, but let's be honest. Creating a professional, high-converting Shopify store can be daunting. That's why you need the right expert by your side. Meet Shujon, a Fiverr pro-vetted Shopify developer who's been transforming online businesses for over 4 years. He doesn't just build websites, he creates complete e-commerce solutions designed to generate sales from day one. So, why is Dev the best choice for your Shopify store setup? Because he combines technical expertise with a business-first mindset. From custom branding and responsive design to payment gateways, SEO optimization, and dropshipping automation, Dev covers every detail needed to launch a store that stands out and converts. His clients consistently praise his dedication and professionalism. One repeat client shared, "I've been working with Dev for 8 months and he's always there to help, any time of the day, no matter what I need." That level of commitment is why Dev maintains a 4.9-star rating and top-rated pro status on Fiverr, a recognition reserved only for the most skilled and reliable freelancers. And here's what makes hiring Dev not just smart, but safe. As a Fiverr pro, Dev was rigorously vetted. Less than 1% of freelancers achieve this level. Every order comes with Fiverr's buyer protection and a secure payment system. Your funds are held in escrow until you approve the work, giving you total peace of mind. With Dev, you're not just hiring a developer, you're partnering with a trusted professional who understands what it takes to succeed in e-commerce. Whether you're launching your first Shopify store or elevating to a premium setup, it's time to take action. Partner with Shujon, the proven expert who will transform your vision into reality. Click the link below and learn more.